Hey guys, welcome to Paths Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, today I'm seated at one of my favorite sitting spots with a background of a house with a beautiful lake where someone can do fishing expeditions. Well, today, as we unwind at Paths Oasis, we reflect on the proverb that goes, give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach him how to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. This simply means if you teach someone to do something, they learn a lot and they're able to help themselves. But if you are used to spoon feeding them, they won't learn much. This also applies in life every day. Well, there's this story of my friend. She is right now doing very well, but if she wasn't taught in the way this proverb goes, she wouldn't be where she is today. Right now, she is the manager in one of the NGOs, a well-known NGO. And she grew up from a humble background. They didn't have much, so when she finished high school, she was not able to go to higher education, to do higher learning. But fortunately, her neighbor was a principal in a college who used to get students who are not doing so well and give them some work in his farm. And in exchange, he would let them learn in his college for free. So she worked hard, she toiled the land, tilled the land, and then she was able to finish the higher education, became a teacher, and after that she got the international job that as she continued working hard, she rose through the ranks and now she's doing well. Had she depended on a handout, if that owner of the college just gave her a handout, we'll just have fed her for a day. But now she's able to feed herself and her family for a lifetime. Well, here are some travel tips while going on a fishing expedition. Firstly, choose a good day when the sun is out so that you can have a good fishing experience. Secondly, make sure you carry all the gadgets you need and wear the right clothing for fishing. Thirdly, make sure you check on a good time to fish. Usually early in the morning and late in the evenings is a good time to fish. And fourthly, you can carry some snacks or some water, stay hydrated, and stay energized. Well, that's it from Paths Oasis. For more details, check out my website, patsoasis.com. At Paths Oasis, we also teach people how to fish by having do-it-yourself tips. We have books on Amazon you can check out. Paths Travel Tips and Tales, Paths Cookbook, and also Paths Makeup Business Tips. For more details, see us, like, share, and subscribe. Till next time.